Hi, it's Peg with another day of AJ Snark Attack 2020. That's journal page a day for the month of October. And today we were doing the mood board on Art Joy is Sharing Live. This is a clip from the live show that we did this morning. And Shell and I were both having some issues. We've both kind of been under the weather. And we're talking about COVID and, the mood board and all the stuff that goes along with it. So this is my journal. This is some stuff that I worked on last week. And I'm going to start another page here today, just looking through, seeing what I want to work on. I may work on that one later, but I'm going to pick this one for today. And I have this cool stencil my friend Carla from What If NC made for me. Check out her information in the description box below because she has a number of cool stencils. I'm going to use two of her stencils today, the 2020 and another border stencil from my friend Vicky. Vicky is from Messy Table Studio, and you can check her out and see what she has. So anyway, I'm just getting some stuff down in the background. I'm showing some. I had stopped at a scrapbook store a couple months ago with a friend of mine and did a little distance shopping, keeping our 6 foot distance, and picked up a few of these papers that I thought would be kind of fun to cut apart and use on some pages. And if you notice, the prompts for today have some COVID stuff in them. I was kind of in that mood when I made the mood board. So here's the border stencil from Vicky. And I'm just going to use some black archival ink to put that around the edge. And I also use that on the 2020 stencil. I'm trying to work dry because if I have a wet page and we're doing a fast show, it takes too long for that stuff to dry during a live show. So anyway, I know that there are new viewers out there because my statistics on YouTube tell me that the majority of the people that watch my videos are not subscribed. It's crazy. So if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing so that you get notified when new videos come out. And if you're not a member of Art Joy is Sharing Facebook group, come and join us. You do have to answer the questions for us to let you in because we want to make sure that you're not a robot or, somebody who is going to mess with the group because we try to keep it a safe environment for all of our members. So I've sketched out a little raccoon on the background here, and I'm just going to take some gesso and lighten the background around my image that I sketched. Just taking a brush and going around. And I will end up lightening the border a little bit too. It was kind of stark. So I'll push that back with the gesso. And I want the animal image to come forward and the other stuff to go into the background. So now I'm looking for some blue-green. This is an art journal. It's not true to life. It's just something fun. And I wanted some bluish-green color, so I'm getting out some Deco Art Media paints in several different tones. I have the cerulean blue, the cobalt teal tint, and the phthalo green blue from Deco Art Media. These are really nice fluid paint, highly pigmented, and I enjoy using them. So if you're looking for, just small bottles of paint that will last you a very long time and cover a nice surface. I'm actually diluting this. I want it to be more transparent because I want to see the background behind come through. So I'm actually diluting it with a little bit of water. I'm using a water reservoir brush to do my painting here. And then I'm drying in between, just making sure that I'm not making a mess of things on my page. Then it's time to get some detail, so I go for my Posca pens. Posca pens are a paint pen, and there are any number of paint pens on the market. Posca is just one of them. I do have some Arteza paint pens and a few other brands, but Posca have been consistently good for me, so I tend to go towards them when I'm looking for a paint pen. And my other favorite pen that I just drug out is this Pilot Uniball. If you need a fine line pen, I would recommend that. And if you're shopping for any of these items, remember that I do have a link down below to Amazon. If you're shopping on Amazon, it doesn't cost you anything if you use that link, but it will add a few cents to my account there. And then I can afford to, buy more supplies and show you how to use them. So I'm not going to waste that paint. I'm just smearing it on another page back there. And using my other Posca pens. I didn't want a white, so I found this blue to go over the ringtail. And I'm using the white on the border just to emphasize that. Not being real careful because these are fast pages. These are not, works of art. They're just a journal page done in a fashion that doesn't take a lot of thought. And we're talking to the audience and to each other, and we're doing pages each day in the month of October. So come and join us if you really like doing this sort of thing. We enjoy sharing our work and then sharing with the community because there's a lot of great artists out there who maybe they don't have a YouTube channel, or maybe they're just bashful about putting things up. Shouldn't be an art group because we're there for a reason, and that's so that you can feel free to post all that artwork that you want, that nobody's going to get critical about. So my quote for today is, and it makes me laugh every time I look at it: if 2020 were a drink, it would be a colonoscope prep, right? Yuck. I saw that quote someplace and it just tickled me, especially because, we all have to go through that, and we all know what that's like. So that's what I'm using for my quote today. I'm going to add some of these little sticker things from the pack of stuff that I got and call that a page. And we still had time left for the day, so I'm going to start another one. Thanks for stopping by.